Hello everyone, my name is Swati. I am going to explain the meaning and types of alternative hypothesis and null hypothesis versus alternative hypothesis. Let us see the meaning of alternative hypothesis. In statistical hypothesis testing, the alternative hypothesis is a position that states something is happening. A new theory is preferred instead of an old one. It is usually consistent with the research hypothesis because it is constructed from literature review and previous studies. However, the research hypothesis is sometimes consistent with the null hypothesis. An alternative hypothesis is one in which a difference between two or more variables is anticipated by the researchers. That is, the observed pattern of the data is not due to a chance occurrence. Alternative hypothesis can be non-directional or directional. The concept of an alternative hypothesis in testing was devised by Jerzy Neyman and Egon Pearson, and it is used in the Neyman-Pearson lemma. It forms a major component in modern statistical hypothesis testing. However, it was not part of Ronald Fisher's formulation of statistical hypothesis testing, and he opposed its use. In Fisher's approach to testing, the central idea is to assess whether the observed data set could have resulted from chance if the null hypotheses were assumed to hold notionally without preconceptions about what other models might hold. Modern statistical hypothesis testing accommodates this type of test since the alternative hypothesis can be just the negation of the null hypothesis. In statistics, alternative hypothesis is often denoted as HA or H1. Hypotheses are formulated to compare in a statistical hypothesis test. In the domain of inferential statistics, two rival hypotheses can be compared by explanatory power and predictive power. An example is where water quality in a stream has been observed over many years and a test is made of the null hypothesis that there is no change in quality between the first and second halves of the data against the alternative hypothesis that the quality is poorer in the second half of the record. Let us see the types of alternative hypothesis. The first type is point alternative hypothesis. The point alternative hypothesis occur when the hypothesis test is framed so that the population distribution under the alternative hypothesis is a fully defined distribution with no unknown parameters. Such hypotheses are usually of no practical interest but are fundamental to theoretical considerations of statistical inference and are the basis of the Neyman-Pearson lemma. In hypothesis testing, a point hypothesis is a hypothesis that covers only a single value from the possible parameter values. For example, if the parameter space covers minus infinity to plus infinity, a point hypothesis could be 0. In a null hypothesis statistical test, only the null hypothesis can be a point hypothesis. And the second type is one-tailed directional. A one-tailed directional alternative hypothesis is concerned with the region of rejection for only one tail of the sampling distribution. If the sample being tested falls into one-sided criterial area, the alternative hypothesis will be accepted instead of the null hypothesis. A one-tailed test is also known as directional hypothesis or directional test. And the third type is two-tailed directional. A two-tailed directional alternative hypothesis is concerned with both regions of rejection of the sampling distribution. In statistics, a two-tailed test is a method in which the critical area of distribution is two-sided and tests whether a sample is greater or less than a range of values. If the sample being tested falls into either of the critical areas, the alternative hypothesis is accepted instead of the null hypothesis. And the fourth type is non-directional. A non-directional alternative hypothesis is not concerned with either region of rejection, but rather it is only concerned that null hypothesis is not true. A non-directional hypothesis is a type of alternative hypothesis used in statistical significance testing. For a research questions, two rival hypotheses are formed. The alternative hypothesis states that an observed difference is likely to be genuine and not likely to have occurred by chance alone. Alternative hypothesis versus null hypothesis. The actual test begins by considering two hypotheses. They are called the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. These hypotheses contain opposing viewpoints. Null hypothesis. It is a statement of no difference between sample means or proportions, or no difference between a sample mean or proportion and a population mean or proportion. In other words, the difference equals 0. The alternative hypothesis. It is a claim about the population that is contradictory to H0 and what we conclude when we reject H0. A hypothesis test uses sample data to determine whether to reject the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that a population parameter such as the mean, the standard deviation, and so on is equal to a hypothesized value. The alternative hypothesis is what you might believe to be true or hope to prove. Since the null and alternative hypotheses are contradictory, you must examine evidence to decide if you have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis or not. The evidence is in the form of sample data. Thank you.